Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make an LED lamp with USB cable. It's like kind of recycle. So today we're gonna recycle LED light. So first step, we have to prepare the cable and check if it's working with the lamp. So I will cut it and take out cables. So we have two cables in, easy, one plus, one minus, positive and negative. So one white, one red. We still don't know which one is positive or negative. We're gonna test it. So the best way to test it, I have to connect the USB and check with the checker. So this one, the red one, you can see the little lamp. That means it's have current. So this is the positive part. So now I need to test the LED lamp with the button to be sure that everything is working. As you can see, it's working. So ready for the next step, to fix into the table the button and the lamp with the silicone. Now we're gonna fix into the table. So like I told you, I use silicone. It's very light. So I don't need to use any screw or any extra thing. Just the silicone. Let's go. So I will put the silicone first. Don't need to put that much. Perfect. We have to wait it's dry. So I can put the button in the same time. So you can use tissue to take it out of the finger. It will take about 2 hours to be dry.
2 hours later.
So now it's dry, we can go to the last step to fix every cable together and just connect and use it. So you need the tape for that. So first I will connect the plus part, the red one, to the button. So I have to cut. This one is too long, so I will cut there. Before finishing the connection, I will check first to be sure something is not wrong. Perfect. So now I just have to put all the cable there. I will fix it there with more silicone later. So why am I using USB? Because when, in case you have a electricity cut, you can use battery. So I put more silicone to keep the cable there. It was a simple way to recycle a LED light. I hope everyone enjoying this video. Thank you for watching.